Welcome to Archiesense. Betasso Overlook presents a new approach to alpine cabin design, with a form that shields from cold westerly winds through a solid roof and walls, and opens to morning sun through large glass windows. The design consists of 3 small volumes clad in dark metal to blend into the Rocky Mountain landscape. The 3 cabins that make up this home follow the contours of the topography, with elevations descending toward views of the Betasso Preserve. Each cabin serves a different purpose, for working, living, and sleeping, connected by glass hallways, creating bright, dynamic spaces in between. The materials used reflect innovation, with double-hung trusses wrapping around steel plates to create wide-open spaces. Hemlock ceilings add warmth, while concrete floors provide a visual connection to the rugged mountain location. The trusses and cabinets create a calm, rhythmic pattern. The home is completely gas-free and uses geothermal energy with radiant floor heating. Floor-to-ceiling windows support natural cross-ventilation, while continuous insulation creates an airtight building envelope. A 9 kilowatts photovoltaic system makes this house emission-free.